everybody, it's your boy Felix. I'm back with another banger, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get waves back again, like an update. So I come in here like 3 weeks ago. Pretty good, my parents really good. Do not mind the hat, you know, look good with the hat, you know what I did. nah, you stop playing with you. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my progress, what I've been doing for 3 weeks. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I think it's FelixC-dr then __. I'm not sure. If it's not, I will put it down in the description box. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Back. Alright, so we're back. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys, this is the oil for after you wash your hair. Trust me, if you buy this oil right here, you're gonna be a GOAT. You're gonna have the best 360 waves in the school, the best hair look in your school. And yeah, trust me, I got this from my friend Joaquin. You know who you are. He's the GOAT too. Even though he got no waves, you should come back to waves, bro. Alright, that's the first thing. I'm gonna put it right here. Bah! The second thing, you need a mirror. Of course, you need a mirror. Trust me, do not brush your hair without a mirror, because your waves is gonna be disgusting. Alright, it's gonna be destroyed. It's not gonna look good. And that happened to me before when I started my waves. My pattern was so messed up. Like over here, you guys remember what happened to me. This time I'm not going through that again. The most important thing that you need is some brushes. Try to get some high quality brushes. You could use any brush that you want, but try to get like the most quality brushes. For example, right here, this royalty one, it's only like $23. You could buy any supply, because supply drop. Oh my god, any beauty supply. And then this one too. This one's around $20, 20 something, 20 around there. You never know. You can just find it any place. This one, the crown brush, I recommend you a crown brush. It could be the small one or the big one. This is a big one right here. I could show you guys the small one right now. Let me go get it. Be back. Woo! Okay, I'm back. So like I was saying, I recommend you this small crown. You see, it's like the shorter version. So you can see, this is messed up. I don't use this brush no more. Alright, I do not use it. Not even for washing style, nothing. I don't use this brush at all. Why? Because it's nasty. I'm about to throw it out soon. But this was my first crown brush that I bought for my waves. The second one that I have is this one. He let me borrow this brush too. This one I use for my washing style. And yeah, it's really good. It's like a medium. It wasn't hard, but now I got medium. But yeah, it's really good, man. And then the next one that I use is the Wavy Merge. Nick Wavy. You know who Nick Wavy is? But yeah, I recommend you this brush right here. Only like $22 around there. Not that much, but if you can't afford it, you can just get a Diane brush. It's only like $5 in the beauty supply. But yeah, fourth thing that you need, the most important thing that you need, is your Durax. It's some Durax, I could sleep with them. Look, it's a whole blanket. That's how much I have. I'm just kidding. But this you could buy like with one Durax, you could be good. You don't need like a bunch of Durax that I have, but you know me, I like to match my outfits, so I buy a lot of Durax. But yeah, guys, I want you guys to make sure you get your waves ready, because for next summer, I'm not letting my hair grow again. I don't know if I am or not. But let's get right into the action, the waves, my pattern that I'm going for. So yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah. Alright, so we're back in the room. I know you guys miss this light. You got me this spot right here. So here I'm gonna use my crown and then the mirror, and let's see how my progress is. Remember, and by the way, I went outside, so I had to put the oil that I told you about. I put that before I left to buy something, so my hair could be moisturized. So yeah, let's get right into the unwrap. Okay, let's go. Oh, by the way, I went with a swirl, right? I went with the same swirl that went last time, and I'm gonna make sure this time I will get it straight. Okay, I will get it good. It will be looking good. And if I end up having bad waves, I'm gonna sure I cut my hair off and go bold. All right, I'm gonna go bold if my pattern does not work this time. I'm gonna go bold. All right. Okay. So these are my hairs looking right now. 3 weeks, remember, 3 weeks. Then I got a haircut. You can see the cut, you know what I'm saying? You can see the cut, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Korean, the barber, best barber out here in the Bronx. I put in more oil because I don't want my hair to be too greasy, you know. So I'm gonna just wash my hair. So first, put the oil, spread it in your hair, do whatever you gotta do. So the first thing I'm gonna start doing is start with my crown right here, and like that, just like that. Just keep going like that. I make a little swirl, and then right here in the bottom, I go slight to the left, like that. So you can make the little circle, the swirl, and then the side, I go like this, just like that. And then right here, like down. And then right here, it's like the whole thing. It's a beehive, but I go slightly slanted like this. Some people be going straight, but I don't want my waist to go straight. I want my waist to go like this, so it could flow with the pattern. Because some people have it straight like a beehive, and then right here, it has the little swirl. I don't want that because it doesn't look that complicated. I want to have some complicated waves. I think like in 2 weeks, 2 more weeks, I think my waves are gonna be fully, not developed, but it's gonna be much better. Like you use that and then just go. Hold on, let me show you guys. Nicely back method to lay down your hair. Just like that. But yeah, I think that's the end of the video. Like after this, make sure you wash your face, alright? But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys follow me in IG, like I said, Felix_Casiano__. And make sure you guys tune in for the next video. Next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get how to do a washing style. Look, I even have the shampoo right here. But yeah, guys, I think that's the end of the video. I'm gonna make sure to drop a like, comment, and I'm out, man. Remember, make sure you brush your hair, alright? Make sure you brush your hair. Brush your hair, but like, let's get it. It's your boy, Felix, and I'm out, man. Peace.